my name is Marilyn and this is Bruno, and we're here with Liberty RV Roofing in U-Haul, and we wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the importance of winterization. Last night it was really cold outside, you guys. The weather is really getting chilly. You want to make sure you get your RV, your camper, your trailer, your fifth wheel, get them in and get them taken care of. And Bruno's going to tell you why.
The hot water heater needs to be winterized, your water pump, your watering, the hot water lines, the cold water lines. It can get very, very costly in the shop to figure out and track down where the ice broke all the water lines. So make sure you get out there, make an appointment, get your lines blown out, get antifreeze in them, and get your black, fresh water, gray water tanks all need to be dumped and winterized for the winter. There's a lot of people, guys, that do winterize their units for the winter, and you're able to still use the unit, just don't use the water system. You can use the heat in it, you can still stay in it, use your electrical, but just keep the units winterized when you get up there so you don't have to winterize it every time you come home. That is also an option for you if you're going skiing or snowboarding.
Okay guys, make sure that you make your appointment today. Get your RV, your fifth wheel, your camper, or your trailer all set up. Give us a call here at Liberty RV Roofing, 509-408-1888. Thank you.